Hey traders, just want to walk you through our February Rhino trade in the Russell. So starting off on December the 9th, we're in Option Net Explorer here. We had our standard setup to start with, selling the 1880s, buying the 1920s and the 1830s. So that gives us our initial broken wing butterfly structure. And let's just walk through day by day. The next adjustment comes in on December the 17th. So not much happening so far. Then here we can see our first scale in. So I'll just rewind 5 minutes. So you can see there's before and there's after. We basically just adding a second broken wing butterfly 20 points higher. So now we're at 1940, 1900 and 1850. And we'll keep moving forward. Next adjustment comes in on January the 7th. So Russell continuing to move up. You can see we've got zero upside risk and our T+0 line is still pretty flat. Our delta is pretty flat. So pretty slow moving trade, not much happening in terms of P&L. So I need to pick up a little bit of profit now. And just moving through January 1st, so no trades. And the next day is when we get our third adjustment. So again, I'll just rewind 5 minutes. There's before, there's after. We're just scaling into our third butterfly now. All right, so that was up at 1920 is now the center of that third butterfly. You can see that there. And we'll move forward. Next adjustment was a little bit of a off-plan adjustment, but it comes in on January 14th because the Russell had gone up so much. You can see we've still got zero upside risk, so the trade's not hurting us at all. And here we just added some call spreads, or one call spread, because the Russell had just gone up so far and wanted to generate a little bit more premium and just lift that expiration line a little bit. So again, just there's before the adjustment, there's after the adjustment. We've sold those up at 23.20, 23.40, so quite far out of the money, about 9% out of the money. It's given us a little bit of risk on the upside, but given the Russell was so extended at that point, I wonder if we can just see the price chart here. Yeah, it's quite extended here, so pretty happy to be selling up here at 23.20 for Feb expiration, right at the edge of the probability cone. And then we'll keep moving forward. And ended up taking profits on February the 2nd. So really low stress trade. P&L didn't really move around much at all. And eventually we'll just see this come into about $250 of profit and we'll close it out. So getting close now, up nearly $200, up 240, about 8%. And Feb 2nd was when we closed out, up $256 or about just under 8%. Could have held for longer if we thought Russell was going to decline and get into this zone here, but really happy to take that 7% profit on a really low stress trade. So there you go. That was the Rhino trade for February. Hope you enjoyed that. If you've got any questions, let me know.